Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see that how can you enable dark mode or switch the theme of your Instagram from your PC. So Instagram app is provided in your phones. It can be used on both Android and iPhone, and you can simply just change the theme of your device to do as well in the Instagram app. But if you want to get your Instagram in a web format, in a website, in your PC or a laptop in a dark mode, like mine is showing on your screen right now, then how do you do that? So first of all, you got to open up your Instagram. So instagram.com/ your profile name. Then once it is open, just go to more, and there would be a switch appearance option. So if you just click on it once, so your theme would be toggled. So in my case it was traditionally a dark theme, and it changed into a light theme. Again, if I click on it, it changes back again to the dark theme. So that is the simple step that you need to follow just to change your Instagram theme in a website mode. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.